This is a complete transformation of outdated bathroom into a modern oasis of relaxation and style. Our journey began with meticulous planning. We collaborate with the homeowners to understand their vision and needs, creating a design that maximizes space and functionality. Behind the walls, we updated the plumbing and electrical system, setting a solid foundation for the new fixtures and ensuring everything meets the latest standards. First, we strip everything down to the basics. Demolition is a crucial step to ensure a clean slate for the new design. We chose high-quality porcelain tiles, 12 by 18 inch, for the floors. The new tiles add both texture and elegance to the space. The shower pan was lined with elegant blue pebble shower floor, complemented by a custom-built shower bench, perfect for relaxation and convenience. We installed 3 by 8 inch glazed ceramic wall tiles, adding a sleek and timeless look to the walls. A luxury freestanding bathtub became the centerpiece, paired with a stylish chrome faucet for a touch of modern sophistication. We installed a versatile shower system featuring a wall-mounted shower head, a ceiling rain shower, and a handheld shower, ensuring a spa-like experience. A custom shower niche offers practical storage, while the frameless shower enclosure adds a sleek, open feel to the space. A liner shower drain was integrated seamlessly, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of the shower. We relocate the shower and closet, optimizing the layout to maximize space and improve the flow of the room. A modern vanity was installed, featuring an elegant oval sink vessel with a matching chrome faucet, adding a touch of contemporary style. And LED lit mirrors bring a warm, inviting glow to the space, perfect for everyday use. We also install high-efficient toilet and bidet, combining comfort and hygiene with modern convenience. All hardware was selected and a polished chrome finish, ensuring a cohesive and modern look throughout the bathroom. The transformation is remarkable. What was once outdated and now a contemporary retreat, designed for both luxury and functionality. Seeing the joys and satisfaction on our clients' faces is what makes our work so rewarding. Thank you for watching this video. If you are dreaming of your own bathroom remodel, contact us today. Let us turn your vision into reality.